When life gives you lemons, you make a lemon house cleaner. I'm back again. It's me. Hi, I'm the problem. It's me again. I'm gonna teach you guys how to do this super cute makeup look I've done. 70s, hippies themed, 60s themed. I hope you enjoy. Is it super historically correct? No, but I tried my best. And yeah, please let me know what you think in the comments down below. And my Instagram, Twitter, P.O. Box, eBay, all that stuff is in the description box down below. Let's start this video. I love you guys. Sorry it took so long to come back. Okay, listen. I am in my 70s sad girl era, we'll call it. Okay, life in the past year is literally just but I'm here and I'm still trying to make content for you guys. I've got late assignments too. And lately I've been enjoying the 1970s and 1970s aesthetics. I moved some of my alpaca sews around and look where I have the camera here. Let me show you. Look at this. Hi. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start off with foundation. I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation that I've used for the past since 2019. And then for concealer, I will be using the Instabake 3-in-1 concealer. I need to get a new concealer. This one's very crusty. So yeah, there's that. And yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. So lately I've been listening to a lot of 70s and 60s music, like Zeppelin, Led Zeppelin. What else have we got? Me forgetting my entire 70s. Oh yeah, a lot of Styx. You know, come sail away, come sail away, come sail away with me, lads. Come sail away. Oh, there we go. This is making me happy already doing makeup with you guys. So yeah, I don't really want to tell you guys everything of why my life sucks currently, but okay, that's not, my life doesn't suck. There are real problems in the world right now. But like, I shouldn't really be on here complaining, let's be honest. And you came here for happiness, so hi. What is that on my, ew. That's gas. Okay. It's hard! I accidentally took, when I was putting the foundation on my face with my finger, I made it a little harder and I just, I get around. I present to you my crusty ass. I need to get a new concealer. This is where I put my concealer. I put it here. Oh, don't do that to your under eye skin. That hurt. Okay, yeah. Why are you looking at me for makeup tips? I'm only semi-good. It's the time of the season. Okay, it is now time for contour. Wondering if I should wash my hands. Nah, I'm just get everything dirty now. To be honest, I'm generally sorry. I have not kept up to my weekly uploading schedule for more than a year now. I did switch to 4 classes instead of 3 a semester, so there is that. But I also I'm sorry. I continue to try my best to get you guys the content you want because I do appreciate all 1,214 or 13 is it right now? I don't know, but you're all special. Okay, I love you. Okay, now, contour. Somebody come get your cat. I think it got lost in my lap. Yep, lost in my lap. Somebody come get your cat. Her floofy doofy and I go feed her all the treats. Yep. Feed her all the treats. Yep. The power of nose contour. I'm an artiste. I'm taking the light cocoa shade and just brushing up and down and all around. You guys, tell me down below what your favorite 70s song is in the comments and down below. I'm gonna do blush. And look at these makeup brushes, guys. Would you like to see a video of me cleaning these or should I just clean them? Because honestly, I don't think I've cleaned them for more than a year. I'm sorry. Pinky, 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 pink. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. I think I'm just gonna do pink and blue for the look. And then I'll show you how to do that 60s eyeliner. I'll finish it up with some like lipstick and yeah, show you the final look. And then I will also be posting some Instagram reels of me being a goof once I'm done filming this. So yeah, I may just spam the Instagram reels again. I haven't used in a while. The VH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Yes, most of my palettes are from 2018 and I don't care. And my super dirty brush. I think I'm just gonna go in with blue on the inner corner, like a blue teal color. And you know what I can do? Watch. We're gonna do green, blue to pink. Okay, just watch. Time lapse, me doing eyeshadow. Uh-oh. No, it didn't mess up. It didn't mess up. No, it didn't. Yellow. Oh. Yellow! There's a yellow right here. It's the time of the seasons. Hopefully I'll edit this video. Oh my god. Okay, I'm never taking this off. I feel good now. You know, my mental health, but I feel good. Okay? Okay. She's an icon. She's a legend. She is an autistic couch potato. And she's back to YouTube to do a silly makeup tutorial before finals. Yeah. Look at this. Use this palette, cut it with concealer. Boom, ba da ba boom, ba da ba boom, ba da 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 da. Woo! This makeup tutorial is going better than imagined. It's not a fail. It's not a fail. Yeah, just use the concealer and used this brush. I went do 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 do. So yeah, time for the magic eyeliner. So this is how I attempt and hopefully not butcher the 60s looking eyeliner. You ready? Here we go. Oh, see, when you have hooded eyes, this is what you can do. Bad. Good. Just don't blink for the entire... Don't blink. I'm making myself laugh alone in my room. Gorgeous. Freaking gorgeous. And I'm going to take the green and hopefully just blur some of this out. Maybe, hopefully, you know, just kind of pretend it didn't happen. Yeah. Look what I did before. I did this, and it just like... Did like that. Oh? Who is she, though? There we go. Yep, that should do it. And just fill it in with pink. Fill it in with pink. Call it art. When life gives you lemons, you make a lemon house cleaner. That a little more yellow. Because why not? Oh, yeah. That does it. That is perfect. Absolutely. Now how's that for 7 days? Pretty good. Right, mascara and lipstick is next. So we need some mascara. So I have this crusty one from a long time ago I've still kind of been using. See if it still works, because I've got a new mascara. But like, I'm just autistically attached to this specific mascara. And like, it kind of works. So like, you know, okay, yeah. So we add highlight and lips gloss. Now I don't know if they had highlight in the 70s, but you guys know I'm obsessed with highlight. You're obsessed with highlight. We're all obsessed with pink glittery things. So I'm gonna go in with a bright pink and a bright blue as I always do, because that's my look. And we do need to add glitter to this. Should we add glitter to this eyeshadow look? Let's keep it matte. I know, I can't believe I just said that, but like if I'm putting glitter on my cheeks and on my lips, and this is like they didn't have like, you know, like that totally makes sense, right? Yeah, for sure. It's gonna be so groovy, man. And I look like a clown. Look what you've done to this rock and roll clown. Don't want your photograph. I don't need your photograph. Oh, I got green in it! Let me just, oh no. Okay. Nothing happened. Everything is good and everything is fine. Yeah, everything is good. Everything is fine. Lip stuff. So I'm just gonna go in. Believe it or not, I have a kind of neutral lippy. This one. I don't know if this is a discontinued shade, but it's Pink with a Wink by Too Faced, featuring my dog barking. Yeah, and that's the finished look. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the headbands I have with this. So yeah, BRB. She was now wondering if she should add lip gloss. Yeah, let me add a neutral. This is a neutral lip, can't you tell? Because I don't know how to do neutral. Okay, I'm using the gloss, All the Stars. And yeah, here's the finished look. I'm really out of energy. Told you my mental health wasn't great, and now with sensory processing disorder, this is bugging me a lot, but I want to do it for the content for you guys. Got these little earrings I picked up at the Goodwill bins at the bottom of the bin. I don't know if they're 80s or 70s, but yeah, what do you think? Too much? 70s? 60s enough? Let me know in the comments down below. Please remember to hit that subscribe button. Now that you watched this video, go check out any of my other videos, of course, and my Instagram, Twitter, P.O. Box, eBay is all down below. Hopefully soon I'll post on my eBay again. I also haven't posted on my eBay for a year. And should really use the light, but I'm just out of energy, so you get soft lighting, soft natural lighting with this weird scarf thingy. I wore this to school. I still look good. So yeah.